Cool, so this is version 8.
Right, if you're a little bit confused, I don't blame you, because essentially the other day you might have seen a video that came out showing a fully completed Nerf gun. Well, this video was filmed 4 weeks ago, and patrons saw it on Patreon back at that time. You guys are seeing it now, so that's why there's a little bit of a mismatch in terms of the timelines. In any case, back to the video. Oh, sorry.
We have made many changes to it, and this is going to be the, is it inaugural? Inaugural?
Inaugural, I think.
Inaugural,
Yeah.
That's the one. Cocking of the gun.
Ooh.
Does it cock?
Ooh. Oh.
Okay. That didn't feel very nice. Bullet. Better.
Better.
God damn
Why is it always, it feels so cool at the moment, and then it just doesn't work. Oh no.
Ready?
I'm not sure I'm ready. It's not going to go anywhere, is it?
Sorry to interrupt, but I need to tell you about Patreon. Believe it or not, this video was already released on Patreon last month, so you're already late to the game. Plus, ads like this, and also those annoying ones that YouTube splice in, don't exist on Patreon either. We've recently expanded the number of tiers available up to a grand total of 7, all of which include a variety of perks such as this. So if you want to support, be sure to check out the links in the description, and now, back to whatever the f we were doing before.
Right, we're starting the week. We're starting the week, and it's Wednesday. I don't know where the last 2 days went, but most of them were spent on spreadsheets or website or video editing or loads of stuff you're going to see very, very soon. But for now, you've got a bit of tidying up to do.
I've got lots of tidying up to do because I've been a very silly boy. And,
to be fair, it's not too bad in here. Oh yeah, that's because I tidied it up.
oh yeah?
But you've made a mess on here due to making a few guns. Someone's creating a bit of an issue for me as I'm coming through.
Yeah.
Oh, what? I mean, come on. Oh, so I see the shaker table's nicely.
That's sort of grown from the mess.
Right. Yeah. So this is tidy-ish, apart from your
Bloodstains.
bloodstains.
It's not blood.
It's not blood, it's dye.
It's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. But my query is, why do you have stuff like this on here? What's that doing here?
Shooting flies, mate.
Yeah, shit.
Shooting flies.
This is the workshop.
Annoying things that won't stop making noise.
No. All jokes aside, Matt genuinely has to go and tidy up his studio, but what I want him to do straight after that is get on this electrical outlet that's going around the back wall there, because that's going to get in the way of all the Patreon plaques that we'll be putting up there very shortly. Speaking of which, I've done all the testing now on the materials, at least on how they cut and engrave or score, and now it's just a case of cutting a few out. Clearly didn't define what the top and bottom were. Take 2. Done it again. So while I'm busy fixing my dodgy designs, Matt gets on with the tidying and straight to veneering. These are going to be a new test for the plaques with new adhesive, new woods, and much more. Stay tuned. Oh, I think we've got a winner. Okay, so I'm pretty damn happy with how that turned out. I think it's time we got your names on that wall over there. Here we go. 30 names, ready to cut. Pretty cool, eh?
Pretty cool.
New sticker wall position. Perfectly level, of course.
Close enough. Hope it doesn't fall down on the heads. Hey, that's pretty good.
That's not bad. Okay, fair enough.
Take that.
Fair enough. Gravity did a good job.
And now, moving the electrical cable that was going like that, down to an L shape. Gotta get the keys. Matt's currently in the rain. Yeah, gotta lock him in. Go.
Oh. Go ahead, mate. It doesn't look that bad on camera, you've just been a wuss. Yeah.
See you in a bit.
Bye. Don't slip. Bloody knob.
Yeah, it's gonna come under there. It's probably raining too.
Oh, dear. Now, got your fucking gun.
Oh, brilliant.
Picked it.
Oh, boy.
Right, it's time to get some on the wall. But Matt had a great idea of actually naming the wall. Would you like a spirit level?
No.
Okay. Would you like a spirit level?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, for God's sake. He just... Oh, you idiots. He's doing that because I've left him out in the rain.
That's me.
Grumpy git.
Oh, goodness.
Here we go. I'm already quite liking them, to be fair.
Andrea. Sorry, Andrea. Sorry.
You can apologise to Mike Gray.
It's fascinating to watch someone not learn.
Yeah.
Look at that. Well done, you.
Well, that's me, that is. It does look pretty sick.
I can actually tell you, it looks better in person. On the camera, it somehow looks even worse.
Oh, God, that does look terrible.
Yeah.
Just everything looks terrible on that camera. Even the contrast. It's just...
Okay, I'll do it from a distance.
Inspiring.
I know.
Oh, God.
I can't do anything about
You
it.
can't even see it.
No, I know.
Oh, God.
It'll improve over time. Yeah.
I guess with more colours and stuff.
More colours, more sizes. I forgot about the colours, to be honest.
Colours.
That's going to be cool.
Colours is what it needs.
And there's a lot of colours to come.
Yeah.
It's going to be nice.
Hello again. It's me chiming in from the future to show you the current Patreon wall. Because realistically, what you guys saw, if I can get around this, well, originally doesn't really quite live up to what you're seeing now. So here it is, roughly 4 weeks on from the time we shot the previous clips. Nice grey background, looks pretty good. Everyone can be clearly seen. So if you're a patron, you're up there, or the majority of you are. I haven't quite got around to laser cutting everyone yet, but it's building up and it's looking rather good. In fact, kind of looks like a galaxy. And as the community grows on Patreon, as does the Patreon wall. How cool was that? So the last time you saw us, we were putting the Patreon plaques on the wall just over there. That was yesterday, I think it was, indeed. But in the meantime, Matt has been making some veneer. Making some veneer? You've got veneer.
Veneering.
Using veneer. Veneering!
Veneering.
There we go.
The reason being for these is while we put stuff on the wall yesterday, that was ash, I believe. No, pine.
Pine.
That was pine that we're putting up. These are the later tiers on Patreon, including rosewood and kingwood.
Kingwood's in that one.
Kingwood's in that one, which is why I said rosewood first.
Yeah.
Because we're doing this one.
Yes. And oak and walnut and...
Oh, you've done them all into one
stacks of them.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Veneer burger in here at the moment.
Oh, wait, did you do every single wood tier with the different adhesive?
Yes.
That was it.
Yeah.
That was it.
That was it. I thought you meant with a different adhesive for every tier.
No.
I've only got 3.
Different to what we were already doing. So this is
I
basically...
used spit for the last one.
Curious to see how that goes.
Chewing gum and then spit it.
Yeah, we're going to open it up and see how it looks.
Bum, bum, bum. Oh, nice.
That's going to look lovely.
That's the mahogany ones.
Yeah, I knew that.
Oh yeah. The only thing is with these, I thought this might happen. So because they're only veneered one side, and you normally need a balancing veneer on the back, we've got a bit of bananaing going on.
Oh, very slightly.
Yeah, it's just they're going to hang away from the wall slightly on the bigger ones, that is.
Okay.
Wood. Yeah. God, I really squished these down.
I'm curious to see how this is going to work in regards to like engraving.
Yeah.
Because when we did the oak, when you had the darker patterns in there, they were truly dark. And this is a whole different level, isn't it?
Well, you say that, but it's also relatively uniform density, whereas oak had so much variation in it.
Oak was essentially hollow in parts.
Pretty much, yeah. That's your pine again.
Okay, yeah, nice.
So ash will be very similar to oak.
Right, okay.
It's just that difference in density. You got that.
Does tend to look pretty good though in terms of contrast at least.
Yep. And then there's the oak one.
Brilliant.
Good. Got a little bit of bleed through on that, interestingly. That veneer,
what, the darker bits is for glue coming
yeah, glue's not meant to do it, but it's because it's so open grain.
That's really dark, that stuff, isn't
Yeah.
it? So what we don't know yet is how it's going to perform on the laser cutter in terms of like dealing with heat.
Walnut as well.
Oh, and the walnut.
I accidentally split that one, so that's taped down, but that'll come off.
Very nice indeed.
So that's all then. And then
Kingwood.
yeah, we'll see.
Right, I'm ready. I'm ready, Matt. I'm ready to view the Kingwood.
Oh!
Oh.
Not the right side.
Oh dear.
Oh, tits. Oh no, we got an edge.
Oh. The great reveal. Hopefully he doesn't snap it.
Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
Yay, there you go.
Tape that. That's very nice.
I told you to remember using the greaseproof paper.
Shut up. That's very nice though.
That is. That's going to look great on the wall.
Yeah.
So that's the top size of the plaques.
Top size.
Yeah.
If you choose to pick that as a wood, because you get to pick whatever you want, technically.
I'm not even sure I've put that in the tier description yet. But yeah, let's whack it in there.
Some of us do our job correctly. Hammer. I was just going to hit it again.